Welcome to Building Your Series Foundation. In this video, we'll explore how to create a successful YouTube series that keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your content strategy, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. A series is more than just multiple videos. It's a commitment to your audience. Series create predictability, build anticipation, and give viewers a reason to subscribe. They transform casual watchers into loyal fans. Studies show that series content has higher watch-through rates and better audience retention compared to standalone videos. When people know what to expect, they plan their viewing around your uploads. There are three main ways to structure a series. Sequential series tell one continuous story where each episode builds on the previous one. Think of it like a TV show with a plot that develops over time. Modular series stand alone but share a common theme or format. Each episode can be watched independently without losing context. Hybrid series combine both approaches, mixing standalone content with story arcs. Choose the structure that best fits your content and audience expectations. Start by answering 5 key questions. What is your series about? Define the core topic or theme clearly. Who is your audience? Understand their age, interests, and viewing habits. What is the format? Will episodes be tutorials, interviews, vlogs, or narratives? How long will it run? Plan for at least 5 to 10 episodes minimum. What problem does it solve or value does it provide? Make sure your series addresses a real need or entertains effectively. Episode length depends on your content and platform. YouTube audiences typically prefer videos between 8 to 15 minutes for regular viewers, though some niches support longer formats. Consistency matters more than length. Choose a frequency you can maintain, whether that's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. A predictable schedule trains your audience to expect new content at specific times. Short, frequent episodes build momentum. Longer, less frequent episodes allow for deeper storytelling. Match your choice to your production capacity. The first 5 seconds determine if viewers stay or leave. Your hook must grab attention immediately. Show a preview of what's coming, ask an intriguing question, or start with something visually striking. Avoid long introductions or lengthy branding sequences. State the value of the episode up front. Tell viewers why they should watch. Examples include curiosity gaps like "Will this work?", mystery hooks like "You won't believe what happened," or benefit hooks like "Learn this trick in just 5 minutes." Momentum is the feeling that the series is progressing toward something meaningful. Use cliffhangers at the end of episodes to set up the next one. Build story arcs that span multiple episodes. Introduce challenges and resolutions gradually. Avoid revealing everything in the first episode. Space out major reveals and plot twists across the entire series. Create callbacks to previous episodes that reward loyal viewers. This makes people want to binge your content and increases watch time across your entire playlist. Engagement transforms passive viewers into active community members. Ask questions in your videos and read the comments. Create polls and surveys about what content your audience wants next. Respond to comments personally whenever possible. Feature fan art or fan theories in future videos. Use community posts to build hype between episodes. Create a Discord server or dedicated social media presence for your series. When viewers feel heard and valued, they invest emotionally in your content and become advocates who recommend your series to others. Avoid these mistakes that derail series. Inconsistent uploads break the audience habit and kill momentum. Overcomplicating the narrative with too many subplots confuses viewers. Ignoring audience feedback means you miss opportunities to improve. Abandoning the series too early frustrates loyal viewers. Poor audio or video quality damages credibility. Lack of clear branding makes episodes feel disconnected. Letting a series drag on too long without direction loses interest. Success comes from discipline, planning, and staying true to your vision. Let's recap the key takeaways. Plan with purpose by defining your concept, audience, and growth strategy. Choose your structure wisely, whether sequential, modular, or hybrid. Master pacing and length by balancing upload frequency with content depth. Engineer engagement through hooks, consistency, and active community building. Stay disciplined to avoid pitfalls and commit fully to your plan. These foundations will set your series up for success and help you build a loyal, growing audience. Now that you understand the fundamentals of series planning, it's time to start building. Take action today. Define your concept, plan your structure, and map out your first 5 episodes. Remember that every successful series started exactly where you are now. Consistency and quality will build your audience over time. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more content creation strategies. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.